Hey everyone, I'm Ashley Withers. I'm the Director of Case Processing here at Harris Federal Law Firm. Welcome into another Federal Benefits Q&A. We had a great webinar last week where we discussed disability retirement benefits, and we had a bunch of great questions. So we just want to take a few minutes to go in depth into those to give a little bit more background and information on the disability retirement. So let's get started. So the first question we had was, can you apply for federal disability retirement retroactively? So yes, you are able to apply for disability retirement benefits after you have been separated from the agency. However, you have to file your application with the OPM within 1 year of your final date of separation. And please just be aware the OPM is extremely strict about this deadline. The second question we had is, does filing for federal disability retirement need to be done before or after filing an OWCP claim for an occupational disease? You are able to file a disability retirement claim while you are working on your OWCP claim. However, just be aware that you are not able to receive disability retirement benefits and wage loss benefits through workers' comp at the same time. The third question we had was, I have been approved for federal disability retirement, but OWCP federal compensation is worth more. Which federal benefit should I take? Many federal employees choose to stay on their OWCP wage loss benefits because it is more money. However, there are different stipulations to the OWCP benefits, so depending on your situation, disability retirement might be better. We recommend going ahead and applying for disability retirement. That way, if your workers' compensation benefits are terminated, or if you desire to switch over for any reason, once you are approved for disability retirement, you can switch over, upon approval or any date following, and that way you have the option to choose between the two. The next question we had was, I have a medical issue that puts me at risk with COVID-19. Would federal disability retirement be an option if my employer will not accommodate my medical issues? Many federal employees are worried about COVID-19 and how it may affect their employment and their ongoing medical conditions. This is an unprecedented time. However, the requirements for disability retirement still remain. COVID in and of itself is not likely to be approved. However, it can really affect your ongoing medical conditions. We recommend giving our office a call just to set up a free consultation, and we can walk you through your current situation and see what your options are. The last question we had was, can my federal employing agency require me to take a job within my medical restrictions? So this depends on what kind of job your agency is offering. For it to be a valid offer of reassignment for within OPM's parameters, it has to be a vacant position at your same agency and commuting area, must be within your same pay grade level and tenure, and it must be something for which you are medically qualified and able to perform. Please keep in mind that you are not required to take a position outside of these parameters for disability retirement purposes, but your agency can technically start a separation process at any point. I hope we were able to clarify a lot more of these questions. Please be sure to click the link below to the blog post where we will go in depth to a lot more of these questions from our past webinar. Also, please give our office a call to set up a free consultation, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Have a great week.